In this video, I will be doing a map analysis of West Asia, as in the next PMT, we will be having questions based on West Asian map. Let us start with the Red Sea. In the case of Red Sea, we have countries which are bordering with the Red Sea, like you have Egypt, then you have Sudan, then you have Eritrea, and then you have Djibouti, Yemen and Saudi Arabia. Now, one thing to note here is that Ethiopia does not share any border with the Red Sea. Now, let us have a look at which all countries open up to the Mediterranean Sea or shares a border with the Mediterranean Sea. So, here you have countries like Cyprus, Turkey, then again Egypt, and Syria again has a small border with the Mediterranean Sea. Then you have Lebanon, which is again sharing a border with the Mediterranean Sea. Then have a look at this small piece of territory. Basically, Israel again opens up to the Mediterranean Sea. Then again the Palestinian territories, especially the Gaza Strip, open up to the Mediterranean Sea. And one thing to note down here is that neither Jordan nor Iraq does not share any border with the Mediterranean Sea. So, Iraq or Jordan does not share any border with the Mediterranean Sea. Now, let us have a look at the Persian Gulf. And in the case of the Persian Gulf, you have countries like Iraq. So, Iraq has a small coast on the Persian Gulf. Then Kuwait is sharing a border with the Persian Gulf. Then you have Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, then UAE, and again Oman also shares a border with the Persian Gulf, considering the fact that Oman have an exclave located at the northern part of the UAE. So, these are the countries which shares a border with the Persian Gulf. So, I hope that is clear to you. Then you have Iran. And in the case of Iran, one thing to note down here is that Iran again shares a border with the Caspian Sea also. Caspian Sea basically it shares the border with the 5 countries. One is Iran, then you have Azerbaijan, then here you have Russia, then here you have Turkmenistan, and here you have Kazakhstan. So, Caspian Sea is bordered by 5 countries. So, I hope now you have got an idea on West Asian map analysis. So, UPSC mainly asks questions to us like which seas shares boundary with which countries, etc. with respect to West Asia. Now, we will have a look at some of the previous year UPSC questions and we will try to solve these questions. In 2017, UPSC asked us a prelims question. It was something like this: the Mediterranean Sea is a border of which of the following countries? So, first option was Jordan. As we all know, Jordan does not share a border with the Mediterranean Sea. Then you have Iraq. Again, Iraq does not share a border with the Mediterranean Sea. Then you have Lebanon and Syria, both of which shares a border with the Mediterranean Sea. So, now which is our correct answer? So, basically 3 and 4, which is option C. So, here option C is your correct answer. So, this is one thing the students often get confused. Remember this thing: Jordan does not share a boundary with the Mediterranean Sea. Then in 2015, again UPSC asked us a question regarding the West Asian map. Again, this is one area that UPSC often frequently asks in the prelims examination. So, this question was something like, which one of the following countries of Southwest Asia does not open up to the Mediterranean Sea? So, again you have Syria, which opens up, Lebanon opens up to the Mediterranean Sea. Then again, like we said, both Israel and Palestine opens up to the Mediterranean Sea. So, again the odd choice here is Jordan. So, option B is the answer. So, there is a note in that question. In 2014 prelims, UPSC asked us a question something like this: Turkey is located between which 2 seas? So, on option A, Black Sea and Caspian Sea. Option B, Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Option C, Gulf of Suez and Mediterranean Sea. Option D, Gulf of Aqaba and Dead Sea. So, now from the map we can find out that the answer is Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So, look at the map of West Asia again. So, Turkey is located between which 2 seas? The Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So, I hope now you have got an idea about the West Asian map.